Let's go to business now with Kim Savage. Prepare your wallet. Apparently, American discount wholesale chain Costco is coming to Auckland, Kim.
Surely this is a dream come true for anyone who's ever been to a shop intending to buy just one item and coming out with maybe 10 items. I have to say I'm guilty of that on the odd occasion, I'm afraid. So yes, Costco coming to Auckland. It's going to be setting up in Westgate out in West Auckland. So if you think that you can just walk in the doors and pick up these discounts without anything else, then you would be very sorely disappointed, though. There will be a membership involved here. This is an annual membership, and the company not saying at this stage just what that will cost. In Australia, it's $60 per year, and the company's indicated that it will probably look at an annual membership of around the same amount.
What?
So then that membership,
What? You have to
$60
sign
a year.
up. You have to sign up for the right to shop there.
But like I said, if you're a shopping addict and you go in there and you're looking to purchase quite a bit, the company sort of prides itself, and of course it's a global company, started in the US, very big name, of course, over in North America, and it prides itself on claiming that its prices are around 25 to 30% lower than what you get elsewhere. So we're talking about a fairly reasonable discount there. So for some people, this might be a new way for them to shop, getting this membership card and then going there and then receiving their discounts. So it's a pretty sizable location they've got there out at Westgate, 14,000 square metres they're talking about, and this is a warehouse operation. It's going to have the lot, the fuel station, the tyre centre, the food court, the optometrist, hearing aids will be available there, so really selling themselves as a one-stop shop. 800 car parks available there for shoppers, and will all come at a cost of approximately $90 million, so that all in the works now. Of course, this is the latest overseas brand to announce a presence here in New Zealand. We had recently IKEA, the flat pack company, announcing it's coming here, and Sephora, the beauty brand, is going to be opening a store. Quite a different offering from Costco, though, you have to say, walking into, a warehouse with bulk products versus, say, IKEA, which is more about the experience, the hot dogs, the meatballs, the walking around the store. So quite a different offering for customers, but perhaps suggesting that maybe New Zealand is seen as more of a destination now for these major companies, and that perhaps our population is sort of tipping up to that scale where they see us as a viable option for a store.
Interesting. We've been talking a bit about insurance lately, but this is about people being more worried about insuring their cars, Kim, than they are about insuring themselves. Is that just a cost thing, though?
Yeah, well, cost is kind of the obvious one, isn't it? Of course, it's a lot cheaper to insure your car than it is to insure your life. And of course, you're not going to have much luck when you're buying a house and you're seeking finance from the bank if you don't have insurance on your house. So I guess when you're looking at those comparisons, then things like cars and house and contents and things are perhaps coming first for people. But a study by the Financial Services Council, that organisation represents the life insurance industry, has found that perhaps mistrust is a little bit of an issue there as well. So apparently more than half of those surveys said that they'd given no thought to what they'd do to protect themselves in the event of illness, personal loss, health problems, and death, of course, is the other one there too. It also found that 2/3 of New Zealanders don't have sufficient savings to cover an unexpected short-term loss of income. So, income protection insurance essentially there. So people spending more time looking at insurance for their cars, for their homes and their contents, but not really thinking about if they die or if a family member dies. And the survey really found that people were thinking that they could rely on ACC or the government in some way to bail them out in the event of a health problem, or that friends and family perhaps would help them out. But the industry does admit too that affordability is an issue, and that it says it does need to take a look at that affordability, make sure the right products are available for the right people, and also do a lot to change perceptions and make sure that people understand that if they have insurance, that they will end up getting paid out if they make a claim. So really dealing with those mistrust issues that exist.
And what else has been happening on the markets today in the dollar?
Well, pretty good day on the market here in New Zealand. The NZX Top 50 finishing up 111 points, just over 1%, finishing Tuesday at 10,139. Auckland Airport, A2 Milk, Fletcher Building, Main Freight, some of the key drivers of those gains there. The New Zealand dollar buying 65.9 US cents and 94.8 Australian.
Thanks, Kim. That's Kim Savage from Wellington with our business news.